For breakfast, I'm having a smoothie. It has strawberries, mangoes, and pineapple in it, and some coconut. And then I put a little bit of almond milk in. For lunch, I'm having leftovers. I'm having a field roast burger, which is a mock meat, but it's not made out of soy, and it's really good, along with broccoli, potatoes, carrots, and peppers, and a side of quinoa. I'm also having some raspberry kombucha. For dinner, I'm going to start off with making guacamole, and if you want to learn how to make some really good guacamole, I made a video about that last week, so you can go check that out. And for the rest of my dinner, I'm going to have a side of corn and a taco with refried black beans in it, and some spinach and onions, cilantro, and some vegan cheese. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.